All right, if you're not really feeling like working out, this is a great one to do. It's done completely on the floor. You don't need any equipment. Everything you're doing is reps of 30, and there's 10 exercises total. So doing the quadruped, this is an advanced version. Try to just lift that knee off a 1/4 inch off the ground, really squeezing, bringing your elbow into your knee. Next one is those push-ups. All right, really do try to keep them on your toes. It's only one round. There's 10 exercises, 30 reps. Next one's those fire hydrants. Okay, you're gonna do 30 on each side, really squeezing the butt, lift that knee up as high as you can, still pulling in the belly button. All right, and then adding in the kicks. Think of it more of an extension versus a kick. Moving on to the rotation. This is really good for your golfers, opening up the upper back. And the plank, 1, 2, 3, 4. So really focus on pulling that elbow in, pulling in your belly button. Lift, 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 lift. All right, it's an easy way to remember it. All right, this one's harder than it looks, but you're just doing a rotating plank with a leg lift. All right, so really pulling in that bottom hip, lifting your leg, and you're gonna do 30 total, so 15 on each side. Do it the best you can. And then moving on to the plank with a tap. So to make it more advanced, try to keep the foot off the ground the whole time. All right, a slow sit up, really focusing on stretching the hamstrings at the top, bending at the hips, focus on pulling in that belly button, and really using those abdominals. And your last exercise, those ab wipers, bringing your arms out into that T position to kind of ground you. The straighter the knees, the harder it's gonna be. Nice, slow, and controlled. You're doing 30 total. And this is the last exercise, guys. If you're really feeling it, go for another round. But I'm so proud of you for showing up.